How do you get more views on YouTube Shorts? Well, it's pretty simple. You add it as a featured section on your channel. Magic. You know, I do love it when you do my job for me. Many thanks to Aniko123 who spotted this new YouTube Shorts feature, and now it's my job to turn it into a useful tutorial for all of you. In the YouTube studio, we're going to this relatively new section called Customization. On the Layout tab screen, scroll down to the Featured section area, and then click on Add section. One of the options here will be Short Videos. Click it to add this section to the very bottom of your featured section list. Now this next bit is super important and I'll explain why in a second. Make sure to drag this short video section all the way to the top of your list, and when you've done this, don't forget to publish the changes. Now you may be thinking that you don't really want these short videos appearing as a featured section at the top of your channel in desktop YouTube mode. Well, put simply, they don't. This is a mobile-only feature. When a YouTube mobile app user visits your channel, they will see your short video section at the top of the channel, and this is their gateway into watching your YouTube Shorts. And only your YouTube Shorts. That's right, folks, it doesn't cycle through random content from random creators, it plays your videos, back to back to back. This essentially is your ready-made YouTube Shorts playlist. Now, if you want to learn more about that customization page, we've got the complete guide over here, but you're just gonna have to bear with me for a minute because this music is absolutely awesome and I want to turn it into a YouTube short. Never again. Now the cool thing is you don't have to tell YouTube which of your videos are YouTube Shorts. It automatically works it out from the fact that they are less than 60 seconds and in vertical video format. So just stick it on your channel and it'll sort it out for you. For channels that post nothing but YouTube Shorts, it makes a lot of sense to set up just one featured section on their channel. Keep it nice and simple. But having said all of this, there is one thing that makes no sense whatsoever. Unless I'm mistaken and missing something very obvious, the only way to add this mobile only featured section on your channel is through the YouTube Studio on a desktop computer. You can't do it through the YouTube app or the mobile Creator Studio app. YouTube, you dropped the ball on that one. Oh, and before anyone asks, I'm not taking music requests.